Complete shutdown will be observed in occupied Kashmir tomorrow to mark the 7th martyrdom anniversary of popular youth leader Burhan Wani. Call for the shutdown has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference to pay glowing tributes to Burhan Wani and other martyrs of the Kashmir freedom movement and supported by all pro-freedom leaders and organizations. All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir Chapter Convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, General Secretary Sheikh Abdul Mateen and Information Secretary Imtiaz Wani have said that a day will come when Kashmiris will get rid of the Indian subjugation. Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, Sheikh Abdul Mateen and Imtiaz Wani in a joint statement issued in Islamabad said, India is violating international laws in the occupied Kashmir. Posters have again appeared paying tributes to the popular youth leader Burhan Wani on his 7th martyrdom anniversary and other martyrs in Srinagar and several other parts of the occupied Kashmir. Burhan Wani, along with 2 associates, was martyred by the Indian troops in a fake encounter in Kokarnag area of Islamabad district on July 8, 2016. All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Bilal Ahmed Siddiqui and other Hurriyat leaders have paid glowing tributes to the prominent youth leader Burhan Wani on the eve of his 7th martyrdom anniversary. Bilal Ahmed Siddiqui, in a statement issued from the Central Jail Srinagar, remembering the great son of the soil, Burhan Wani said that he will always remain an inspiration to the suppressed people. District Administration of Kishtwar has sealed 2 more madrasas. This is the 3rd madrasa sealed by the authorities in less than a month. Earlier, a madrasa was closed in the Jammu district. An Indian soldier committed suicide today in the Samba district. The soldier of 168 Brigade posted in the Samba district shot himself dead with his service rifle at a camp in the district. A man was killed in a lightning strike in the Kulgam district. According to Kashmir Media Service, one person identified as Abdul Hamid Khan sustained injuries during the strike, after which he was referred to the nearby hospital for treatment. Upon reaching the hospital, he died. On the other hand, the Amarnath Yatra was suspended today on 2 routes due to bad weather conditions. Former President of the Indian National Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir, Ghulam Ahmad Mir, has asked the authorities to come clean on the issue of the home to the homeless families and apprise the people as to who is homeless and how they have been categorized. Ghulam Ahmad Mir said the authorities should act in a responsible manner and explain as to who the homeless families are and how they have been categorized. Working President of the Indian National Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir, Raman Bhalla, has hit out at the Bharatiya Janata Party for destroying the identity, status and rights of the people. Raman Bhalla, while interacting with the people, said that instead of addressing the grievances of the people, the authorities brazenly participated in a photo session to get cheap publicity. High-level delegation of Jammu and Kashmir Muslim League visited Hampura today and condoled the death of the senior leader of Jamaat-e-Islami, Khizr Muhammad Lone. The delegation was led by the acting chairman Abdul Ahad Para.